I'll put on a high res. I'll switch on the fog lights. In fact, you would be going somewhere for a touring. It's pretty necessary. Why? Let's see. Hey, what's up, homies? Hope you're doing good and keeping yourself safe. My name is Swapnil. As I said in the video or motovlog of Hampi ride, that is video part 2, I would be doing the review of the custom headlights or aftermarket headlights and the pair of fog lights, which are pretty much necessary for any bike who would be a touring bike, or in fact you would be going somewhere for a touring. It's pretty necessary. Why? Let's see. So when I bought Himalayan BS6 version, I went to a ride in the village called Velle. There is a waterfall named Medeghat. While coming back from Medeghat to Pune, we were on the road to Nasrapur, and that time the time was approximately 8 p.m. It was raining a bit and there were no street lights. That time I felt a need of the custom headlights and possibly fog lights. Because I was just following the fellow rider who was ahead of me, and that was the only support for me on the road. I was following him because the stock headlight of Royal Enfield Himalayan was not good enough to give me a vision at least till 50 meters or probably 40 meters. So I decided to install the custom or aftermarket headlights and the fog lights in the local market, which helped us pretty much in the ride of Hampi, because almost all the days we were riding at night for some part of the ride. So we would be now seeing how and what I chose and the review of it. So let's begin. So if you search online, you will find a lot of brands which are selling these kind of aftermarket headlights and fog lights. On Amazon, I searched a bit and I found two brands, that is Autofy and Auto Trends. But better, I would suggest to go to the local market and search for the headlights as well as fog lights, because you can test them upfront and you can see what is the watt of that specific model or which model suits your bike. So accordingly, choose it. So this specific model that I have chosen is of company Speed. However, I bought it from the local market. On the box of the aftermarket headlight, you might find it is written in lumens, that is, for example, 2600 lumens or 3600 lumens. So if we convert lumens into watt, it comes around 35 watt to 50 watt. I believe that is good enough for night riding, or at least to have a good vision on the road at the time of night when there are no street lights. So these headlights that you see that I've installed, these headlights are 2800 lumens. That means around 35 to 40 watts low res, and 3600 lumens, that is 50 watts high res. Regarding these fog lights are of company HJG. I have purchased these fog lights from the local market of Pune itself, that is Nanapet. There were a lot of varieties which were available. However, I found these reasonable. So right now what you are seeing is low res. I'll put on a high res. So here at the bottom there are three lights which are for high res. You might be wondering what are these lights for. Then these lights are for the indicators. So this is a left indicator. You can see the left indicator is showing up. This is a right indicator. I'll show you the fog lights. So I'll show you how it looks at night. Let's see. I'll switch on the ignition. Here we go. I'll switch on the high res and I'll switch on the fog lights. As you can see the difference, this can never be seen in the stock lights, but this is I believe good enough if you would be riding at night. Now we'll see from the front how the lights look. I'll turn on the ignition first. Here we go. Now I'll turn on the high res, and now I'll turn on the focus lights. So as you can see, this is the whole setup of the lights, and right now all the lights are turned on and you can see the effect. Thank you. Headlights costed me rupees 2600, whereas the fog lights at rupees 900, that is 450 for each piece. I'm not sure if the company of these headlights is Indian or Chinese. However, the fog lights company named HJG is the Chinese one. I have traveled not less than 1700 kilometers with these headlights and fog lights, and they did not trouble me anywhere. Even though in the video if you see that they have a very bright light, in reality they do not blind the person coming from the opposite side. Please note that this is my honest opinion. The experience may vary person to person. This footage is just to demonstrate the throw of the light while riding to get the actual idea of the headlights and the fog lights. Sorry for the shaky video.